she goes. Go back a little bit. Now here comes the roar.
Live, this is One for the Record. I'm Diana, and today is January 27th, 2013. And here are your updates for today. The Extinction Protocol 2012 and beyond. 5 moderate earthquakes strike in Earth's southern polar region. Heads up. And that was today. Also, once-in-a-century flooding gives Queensland an unexpected sequel. Wow. Also today, increase in activity reported at volcanoes in Ecuador. Heads up. Tragedy strikes Brazil. 232 reportedly killed in nightclub fire in Santa Maria. Also, I think it's been updated to 245 now. So I'm updating that for you. And it was because of the band did some fireworks inside, like pyrotechnics, and it caught the insulation on fire. Death toll rises to 12 from twin landslides in Indonesia. That's also today. Heads up. A lot of news on a Sunday. Okay, let's see what else is there. Here we go. Also today, CDC, norovirus strain G2, or G11, it's G11.4. We'll go with G11.4. Sydney running rampant in U.S. Heads up on the norovirus. Remember, carry that bottle of non-water needed hand cleanser. You squeeze it in your hand and the alcohol will evaporate real fast. So clean your hands everywhere you go. Papers in your pocket, papers in your purse. Pull them out. Open a door, then discard it, and then use that stuff. Even earmuffs. Someone's coughing right behind your head. You might want, lightweight earmuffs on. I wouldn't keep them on all day. You don't want to overheat, but they'll keep stuff from blowing into your ears also. It's not just your nose and mouth. It gets into your ears. Alrighty then. That's my advice. Alright, moving on. Okay, I'm feeling hair in my face or something. Here we go. The Watchers watching the world. Tropical cyclone 13S aiming Madagascar. That's what it says. DNA doesn't lie. Happy children become healthy adults. Oil showdown in the Amazon. Big threat to Ecuador's ecosystem. Isn't that also where our oxygen comes from? A lot of it? Wow. Without the oxygen, you're not going to be able to power up your equipment. You're not going to be able to light fires, and you're not going to be able to breathe. So, why don't you leave the Amazon jungle alone? How's that one? You need the oxygen, right? You won't be able to use your machines, even if you kill all life, because there's no oxygen, and that's going to include yourself. Your equipment won't run without a mixture of oxygen. Jeez. Okay, let's see what else we got. Okay, new bubbles and ground cracks appear near Louisiana sinkhole. Alrighty then. Moving on. Sorry for that rant. I understand you cut down what makes the oxygen, then you're in trouble, aren't you? And if you get rid of all the CO2, what the plants breathe, in order to exchange it into oxygen, then you're in trouble then too. And most machines won't work without oxygen of some sort. Oh well. Okay, here we go. Like your cars, you know, you need oxygen. Your carburetor, fuel injector. There's a mixture of oxygen with that. That's how the fire burns. So you send rockets up. You want or it'd be totally grounded. That will come first before everything else dies. You know you're in trouble if you can't light your lighter. Alrighty then. Moving on. E&E News. Energy News. Japan. Fukushima. Uh-oh. Heads up today. Intense magnitude 5 quake hits near Fukushima border. Remember, that's all they needed was like a 5 or greater for that spent fuel pool number 4. What's up with that? Also today, feature documentary on Fukushima kids with newly discovered thyroid cyst and nodules. Also today, video. 240,000 becquerels per M2 detected on road 80 kilometers from Fukushima disaster. Weren't they mixing some of that debris in with like asphalt or something, or am I wrong? Alrighty then, here we go. Former Prime Minister Khan. Evacuation after Fukushima could have reached 50 million people. But they didn't, did they? That was yesterday's. Let's go on to U.S.-Canada. Two oil barges slam into bridge on Mississippi River, both heavily damaged. Sheen reported miles away, still leaking Sunday evening. The pollution of it all. Sunday evening, that just happened. 9:22 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You're getting it right here, right now. It must have happened 10 minutes ago. It was reported on here. Alrighty then. Yesterday, new extended flyover, a giant sinkhole. We are finding that things actually look a bit worse. Yeah, you saw that. It's on a day or two ago. Alrighty then. I'm not going to do anything fancy tonight. I don't want to take too long. So, just this report. What an intro. You take care. 2 days down for the weekend now. We're getting ready to go into Monday. You have a wonderful, wonderful Monday. Get your clothes ready early. Set them out. Set your alarm. And if not, set your alarm anyway and start applying online to everything. Alright, take care. I'll see you again tomorrow. And be safe. Whatever you're doing out there, please be safe and be prepared for anything. Take care.